sleeplessly embracing butterflies and needles line my seamed up joint, in case I need it. In my stomach, on my heart, chainmail, hunger of the pine. Hunger of the pine. Sleeplessly embracing your yearning to me, planting notice in the sea, and so you finally use it. Bedding with me, you see, at night your heart wears nighttime.